with a loud and powerful message. The Beaufort chapter of Bikers Against Bullies rolled into Bluffton Middle School to talk with students about bullying prevention and spreading kindness.
Repeat after me. Just be kind.
If I can help one kid make the right decision or keep them from making a bad decision, that's why we like doing it.
The bikers talked with students about the many forms bullying can take, from physical and verbal bullying to harassment that happens online.
I was learning about different types of bullying, like cyberbullying and many other stuff. And if we're getting cyberbullied, we should block them or tell someone that we know.
The bikers also surprised the school with a special gift, donating a brand new buddy bench. A buddy bench helps reduce social isolation and combats bullying by giving students a simple way to signal they need a friend to talk to.
That was nice because it's just a reminder that you have to be kind to everyone, like throughout the day, and you could see that as like a reminder to be nice. When you spread kindness, it makes people's day feel better, and that ultimately makes everyone happy.
The Bikers Against Bullies talked to the students for about 45 minutes during a school-wide assembly. At Bluffton Middle School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.
Stand up. Be heard.